What's up, What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another edition of Tinder on a Flip Phone. I've been getting a lot of questions on how do you balance self-care, living in a capitalist death cult, and Tinder on a flip phone. So I'm going to show you a little bit of what it's like to balance it. We're still on the Cat S22 flip phone here, so this is going to represent our capitalist death cult, self-care, and we're going to get to it, folks. So here we go. Typically in the capitalist death cult, you got to keep it spinning, folks. Takes a while. We're cooking some food. We're going to be doing a little of that. So we're still on the Cat S22. We're drinking some lemon juice, taking care of ourselves a little bit. We got a cat and a cactus. So once we get the economy spinning a little bit, we got a little free time. The capitalist death cult to get over here. You want to click that button. You want to kind of keep this spinning, you know. But don't forget your self-care. You really want to keep this spinning, folks. You don't want to let it slow down. So right here we got our flip phone, as you can see. And we're going to click on that little Google icon right there. Bam. Keep our stuff spinning. And you're going to see right there the Tinder icon. So we're going to click on that and see what we got. Don't forget, you got to go to work. Keep it spinning. Chicken or turkey? You got decisions to make in this economy. So here we are, folks. We got a Tinder web exclusive you can choose to make. Got to keep a lot of things balanced here at once. Got to keep it spinning too, you know. See if there's anything new that pops up. I got some questions about addictions and vices. We got some alcohol. Doesn't really work too well. We got to keep it spinning, you know. Got to keep yourself fed. So, let's see what we got on our flip phone here. So, folks, that's a little bit of what it's like here. So, you know, if you like this video, smash that like button, ask me some questions, and we'll talk more. See you soon.